Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I'm really happy to connect with Anand sir. So, Anand sir, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing exceptionally well, just a little bit under weather. Otherwise, everything is going good.
Okay, you can call me Anand.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Anand. So, Anand,
Yeah.
before diving into like conversation, I would you like to know about you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely.
Hmm.
Yes, definitely. My name is Anand, and I am talking to you from Uttar Pradesh, Jaunpur. If I talk
Hmm.
about my qualification, I have completed BTech, and currently I am a software developer. And apart from that, I also do learning English and try to upload conversational video on YouTube on my channel. And if I talk about my enthusiastic uh, passion. So I basically try to do go outside and explore new features, new places, and sometime I do playing video games. So that's pretty much about me.
Oh, wonderful. Good to know about you. You have also like lots of hobbies, or you are doing so many things in your life. That is good because we should always, try something new in our life.
Yes,
So that is the good part. So, shall I introduce myself?
yes. I would like to know about you.
Okay, okay. So as you know, my name is Soni Bist. Basically, I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently live in Delhi. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed my Bachelor of Art from Delhi University. And right nowadays, I'm like working in HR department in Ghaziabad. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I have lots of hobbies. But nowadays, I'm into like reading parts and as well as like I love to gardening. I have green thumb, so, and apart from this, I love to doing exercise. So these are my hobbies.
Okay, glad to know about you.
Hmm. Yes. And recently I started my YouTube channel where I,
Mhm.
upload the conversational videos and solo videos just for like documentation purpose. Yeah.
Okay, what is your channel name?
Speak and sign with Sony.
Okay,
Hmm.
I will check later.
Yes. So as you said, like you are working, so you today you are holiday or you work
No,
from.
my day will start. My day will start at 11,
Oh,
11
that's
a.m.
great. 11 to
Yeah,
11 to.
11 to 7 or 8. Yeah, 11 to 7 or 8, maybe based on work.
Okay, so you do like work from home every time. You have to go like once in a week or
Yeah.
something.
No, I have permanent work from home, and currently I am working from my hometown, Uttar Pradesh, Jaunpur.
Okay, okay,
But my work location is there in Gurgaon.
okay. Mostly Gurgaon or Noida companies not provide to work from home mostly because most
Yeah.
of like MNC or something like company in Gurgaon, big companies. Okay, so that is good part. So you enjoying like a work from home? You didn't bore, feeling bored in home every time stay home.
No, not feeling bored, but sometime exhausted due to personal work and official work
Hmm.
need to handle simultaneously. That's why.
Hmm.
But
Okay, okay. Hmm.
but moreover, it's enjoyable because if we stay outside, then we need to we means we could have more responsibility and other stuff,
Hmm.
so
Yes,
that can
yes.
be reduced at home.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, in my company, we didn't get like a work from home, but whenever we need, like sometime we need, so month in twice in a month we can take. Otherwise,
Okay,
fully you can say work from office.
currently where are you? You are at home or office?
No, no, I just reached in office. That's why I was late. I was late. Okay. So now
Okay.
we come to the. Do you have any question for me? You can ask. Otherwise, I have jot down some question for you.
Okay. First you go ahead, then I will ask.
Okay. So I just want to ask, as we already discussed, like company or job. So I just have a
Hmm.
few questions I jotted down, which I jotted down. So my first question is, what are the biggest causes of unemployment in our country? What do you feel?
Actually, there are two persona in
Hmm.
unemployment. One, the employee who are looking for job. They are may not be on right track.
Hmm.
How to achieve job quickly, or
Hmm.
what are the skills required to be
Hmm.
stand out of the cloud. So that is main point, and I agree there is a gap in employment system. Sorry, in employment in India. So there are a lot of things, but moreover,
Hmm.
depend on our own skill. If I have a skill which can make separate from others,
Hmm.
then definitely within 1 month or 2 months, I can get job easily anywhere.
Yes.
So because companies are also helpless because they are trying to find out right candidate. If I have 100 candidates are applying job and everyone
Hmm.
have same skill, same, then how they will scrutinize and how they will recruit. So they would love to know a different point and different perspective from the employee. So that I
Hmm.
would like to highlight. And for government job, definitely there is a lot of gap in infrastructure in their system. That's how they do. Sometimes vacancies are available, but they didn't open or they didn't recruit
Hmm.
in such a way the required employee should get job easily. So don't know why, maybe they would be cost cutting.
Hmm.
That's
Right.
why.
Yes,
Yes.
actually, in my opinion, there are many, you can say, reason because of like for employment. We can say now in India, if especially we talk about in India, so people
Yes.
why they face like this kind of problem or unemployment, even though they are like some youngest people are very educated, but even though they face like they didn't get able to get job, right? Because of that, because
Uh,
nowadays what I feel, the skill are very important, right? Education is
right.
also very important, but skill are more than important as education. But what happens in India, school or colleges, they just focus only, they just give the knowledge, but in practical
Right.
way they didn't try to understand the children or kids. So main reason that even though they like
Right.
they pass in English medium school, but even though they're not able to give proper in proper way their introduction, or if somebody asks some question, they're not able. So I think that is the main causes of India. And apart from this, they lack of like get good opportunities. Suppose that there are some well educated person, but if they don't have like. Yes. So I'm saying that like in India, like government also, increase the like job opportunities, because if I talk about India's population, so according to India population, the job vacancy is very less, right? Every years like youngster like pass their colleges, or they start their searching job, but that much not job opportunities they get as per their qualification or their skill. Apart from this, government should also like promote to small businesses, or small businesses, so that they can, or they can get more opportunity to get job or anything.
Right. Right.
So what do you feel? That is
Environment
the.
also affect sometime among the people how they are living and where they are living.
Hmm. Yes, right. So, my another
Yes.
question is that is like having a degree enough to get a good job nowadays? I think
No,
we already discussed, but if you want to say
completely.
something, yes. If
Yeah.
you want to say something, you can share.
Yeah, degree is not enough because everywhere everything is going on based on the interview, and they are checking practical skill.
Hmm.
Okay. Even pressure they are going to get job, they are assigning some assessment task to complete within a uh, required time frame, then they are getting job. So
Hmm.
I think yes, everyone is not going, and everyone cannot get job with the degree. There might be some specific reason where they can get,
Hmm.
but not everywhere.
Yes, yes, definitely. Because
Mm.
nowadays, when somebody, go for any interviews, then definitely they check if they have like less educated or, if they have not higher educated or like that much educated, but if they have any skill, like we are learning communication skills or how to, speak in
Right.
front of other, how we can share our thought in meeting or somewhere. So I think that skill is very important for getting good job right nowadays. Because earlier we can say in
Right,
ancient
right.
time we, only if somebody go for any job purpose or interview, then they, just see the degrees. That time degrees is matter. But nowadays skill are more important or
Yes,
skill are matter, right? That's why everybody, you can say on like learning new skills so that they can
right,
search
right,
a job and they can get a job easily. I think it is also good.
right, right.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's good because everyone cannot do same thing now.
Hmm.
Who all over the world everyone is doing, because
Yes.
everyone if everyone will be doing same, then there won't be meaning of uh,
Hmm.
showing our own identity. So
Right.
that's a very important thing, to try something new and do something new.
Hmm. Having knowledge not enough. We have to
Yes.
first do, or we have to show off our skill. Then only the other people feel that yeah, you have like something. Yes, yes, go
Okay.
go ahead, go
I was
ahead.
saying there are millions of people who having lot of knowledge,
Hmm.
but when comes to a particular skill, they don't have.
Hmm.
So that is needed for a practical to show their practical skill. So what I'm saying, if you have a great command over one skill, so that can be beneficial for you and for others also. They
Hmm.
can get
Right.
inspired by you.
Hmm. Okay. So now if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, I would like to know about you. Means when did you started, and how what is the reason behind this?
Okay. So if I talk about my journey, it was like it has been started last 1 year, and since then I'm working on this skill. Because as I already told, I am working in HR department, so I have to like it is crucial for me. But unfortunately, I was not consistent in past 6 months. But now from this 2 3 month I'm like consistent and consistently doing practice, sometime record myself and sometime public speaking, something like that I'm doing. Yes. And what about you?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I started this year January 2026, but same like you, I was also not consistent.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been 1 or 1.5 months. I am consistent in reading and doing shadowing, listening podcast, watching English
Mm-hmm.
content. So these things I involved, and sometime I do conversation as well. So that I am getting drastic change. I am able to see in myself drastic change. So
Mm-hmm.
consistency work as a compound interest.
Mm.
Initially, it won't visible, but later it will give you a good result.
Yes, definitely, sir. I agree with your point. Because initially we didn't find like we are improving, we are doing something good, or but later after you can say 3, 4 month or 6 month, we can see the drastic improvement in on like our personality, right?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. So, sir, I just you
Any
said
question?
like you are working in
Hmm.
like MNC company from like Gurgaon. So, do you have like you interact with the client or something when you feel like you have to now you have to work on your communication skills or on yourself? When did you decide, or when did you feel like that?
Yeah, basically, when earlier I was in a junior level or associate level, so I
Hmm.
don't need to connect with client. I just need to connect with my manager and team
Hmm.
lead. Based on that, I can do and I can collaborate. I was able to collaborate
Hmm.
in decent way. But later, when I promoted to a principal consultant, then probably I need to connect with senior employee or senior
Hmm.
member. Sometime I need to connect with stakeholder who are from
Hmm.
different country.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's how I thought I need to enhance my English communication and polish my English. So that's how I started my journey.
Okay. Yes,
So yeah, if
definitely.
necessary will be there, then only someone will start. I, until unless no one will do anything.
Right, sir. Until and
Right?
unless we have to open our mind, we have to connect,
Yes.
share our thought. If we want to improve in professional life, that we have to, improve ourselves. There is no any
Yes.
other way to, get success. That is the only mantra,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Do you practice on vocabulary?
To be honest, earlier I didn't focus like on vocabulary. I feel that initially we have to not focus on vocabulary, but now I'm trying to, try to learn vocabulary, or sometime I'm able, sometime not able. Even though I jot down so many vocabulary in my diary, but it's a very difficult. Especially I feel that that part is very difficult for me, like adopting a new vocabulary in conversation. That is very difficult part, but definitely we should work on that for
Yes. Yes.
moving
Definitely.
in a next level. We should use advanced vocabulary or idioms or phrases, I think.
Yeah. It's very difficult to show or express our thought with the correct vocabulary on correct time.
Mm.
In initial journey, it happened. I have taken. I think mostly I ask this question to everyone. So I
Mm-hmm.
got the same recommendation. It will come gradually.
Mm.
Instantly, it will not come. It will
No.
come gradually, and little by little, you can improve. So, best way of doing using vocabulary is writing sentence and creating situation on their own conversation so that you can use.
So.
I think someone has asked me, "Do you want to become famous or popular?"
Mm-hmm.
So that time I was not aware, so I told I would like to become famous. Then
Okay.
he explained me.
Mm-hmm. Yes, actually, in like in our life, many things we didn't know. But when somebody asks,
Yes, yes.
suppose that you ask me, you share with me that things, so then we get to know. Everybody know everything is
Right.
not possible, right? It's not
Yes, yes,
possible.
yes.
We
Lot
know
of things
everything.
are there.
Hmm,
Yeah, lot of things are there who means individually different people know
hmm.
different things. But
Yes,
maybe I would not aware about a simple thing.
hmm.
Okay, yeah,
Yes,
that might be situation.
hmm.
So that can be come from connecting with people, collaborating with people, and doing practicality
Hmm, hmm.
basically.
Right. Actually, that
There
is,
is
I
a
think, that is the very good way we are connecting. We are sharing our thought. So many things, maybe you know, I don't know, and maybe something I know and you don't know. So in this way, we can share our thought or
right,
something,
right.
knowledge, everything's right. So
Yes,
I think
yes.
we are running out of time. So we have, I think, wrap up this session. So, sir, thank you so much
Yeah,
for
we can wrap up.
connecting with me and giving your precious time to me. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, same here. I also must say it was fantastic connecting with you and
Yes.
looking forward to have one more conversation for my channel.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much again.
Thank you. Have a great day.